Hello everyone, this is the second video of the series. In this we are going to know about some more yoga poses and its benefits. Let's start with Tarasana. In this you first have to stand straight like this and then interlock your fingers and turn the arms outward. Now raise the arms up and bring them in line to the shoulder. Now raise the heels of the floor and balance on the toes. Be in this position for at least 10 seconds. Now bring the heels down, release the interlock of the fingers and bring the arms down and collect the standing position. The benefits of Asana is it brings stability and helps to improve the condition of the spinal nerves, and also it strengthens your ankles and arms. Now Trikonasana. In Trikonasana you first have to stretch both of your legs. Now move the right leg to 90 degree and the left leg by 45 degree. Now stretch both of the hands outwards and touch your ankle with the hand and move the other hand straight upward towards the sky like this. This is the position of Trikonasana. The benefits of Trikonasana is it stretches and strengthens the ankles, knees and thighs. It stretches groins, hips and hamstrings and calves. It stimulates the abdominal organs. It improves digestion and it relieves stress and also helps to relieve the symptoms of meal. Now the third one is Bhujangasana. Now, the last one is Bhujangasana. In this, you first have to lie flat on the stomach with pointed toes like this. Plant palms on mat below and slightly outside shoulders. Engage legs, stomachs, and by flexing triceps and top of feet into mat. Now tilt the head back until chin points forward and neck is compressed. Head movement to the rest of the body by straightening arms. Keep hips planted firmly on mat and raise level off the ground. Roll shoulders back and down by evenly through lower, middle and upper back. Breathe and hold pose. Exhale. Bend arms. Lower level to mat, then chest, shoulders and forehead like this. Now move your hands back. The benefits of Bhujangasana is it opens up the shoulders and neck and also tones abdomen, strengthens the entire body back and shoulders, improves flexibility and it also improves blood circulation and reduces fatigue and stress. Thank you. That's all for